Hi, check this out. So I have this raw video I'm working on, no sound, no texture, just some footage. After I edit the scene, the sound is missing. Let's check it out. My job now, to bring it to life. I will use Krotos Studio Pro to perform and build the sound design in real time, then drop the sound straight into CapCut and turn this flat video to something that feels alive and intentional. You see, it's very emotional and intense. So first I will study the clip, what is missing. Footsteps, they're not there. I have the door closing, I have the car engine, I have the fear in her eyes, staring behind. So I will need also some background movement, some wind, some rouge. And then is the policeman that is walking. So now instead of hunting through a massive library, sound library, all built chained in the door, I am heading straight into Krotos Studio Pro, which will make my life easier. So now I'm gonna try to find out a sound that will fit. Let's go, for example, the easier I can find is to find a sound for the door. There is a category doors. And here we're gonna have to search for a car door. I want a side door. So this is just closing the door. So we're gonna choose the close. And then that's it. I'm gonna just drop it here. I'm gonna pick the second one. And I'm just gonna sync it with the actual scene that the door is closing. So it's like this one here. Perfect. So next we need some kind of atmosphere. So this is outdoors, there is some kind of street behind her, and there is a little bit of a forest, some trees are there behind her. Ambience, we can search for suburbs, which is perfect for this area. We don't want kids at this point, maybe some dogs can be there. A little bit of traffic and birds. So now that I find what I want, I'm just going to press stop and start again. And just by doing that, the perfect atmosphere for my scene is being created. It's like the cars are passing, and just like that, the scene is ready. The atmosphere, the ambience is ready. So I'm gonna take it and drop it here in a new channel here. So let's see. And now what I can do with this kind of atmosphere, because they have more elements in the same ambient sound, I can go and choose this one, which is the drag stem button, and it can create 4 different stems, and then I can layer them one after the other because they're playing at the same time and mix them.